Hey there, let's take a quick look in my Ball Diamond Batter's Box template. With my Ball Diamond series templates, there's a variety of different scenes. Each of these scenes has a lot of different options. There's dust, home plate, there's the battered lines, there's the lights. All these things can be moved around and adjusted. There's dust that covers the subject's feet and helps them blend them into the scene. Included with the instant download is also a full tutorial explaining all these layers, these options, and how to get the best results with your athletes, including lighting and posing. Some athletes will be left or right-handed, so you can flip the entire scene to go the other direction. Just like that, and then you can insert your subject. Here's a subject I photographed. I photographed him on green screen. If you've been paying attention to any of my other templates, you don't have to use green screen to use my templates. However, it does make it fast and easy to extract an athlete if you light it correctly. I'm going to extract him here in real time. Just going to hit a couple buttons, and he's pretty much ready to go. Now I simply take the subject's extraction and drop them into the new scene. Then resize and position them exactly where you want them. Now I move the dust where I want it to be. Can do some dust coming off there, and that's looking pretty good right away. And don't forget about the bright sky option that you can turn on within the template to give it a completely different look. If you like this, be sure to check out some of my other Ball Diamond Baseball Series templates. The Ball Diamond Baseline, the Ball Diamond Catch, the Ball Diamond Pitcher's Mound, and the Ball Diamond Home Plate Team Template with an awesome individual banner.